Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here on Cohen's RV Thrills. Today we're taking a look at one of Wildwood FSX's brand new floor plans. So this is the Forest River Wildwood FSX 177 Ice. So this is a new floor plan to the Ice, I should say Ice line, I guess. But this is the floor plan of the RV, and here are all the major specifications. If you want to pause the video and take a look at that, you can. But we're gonna go inside and take a look at this amazing brand new RV. So coming on the inside, you have an east to west bed with some drawers underneath it. And believe it or not, this one is not a drawer. This one is an access panel to GFI, USB, and USB-C plugs. But these are big giant drawers that you can store all your fun stuff in there. And you get hanger storage above, like for the whole length of the RV practically. And you get storage above the bed, super cool. You also get the timeout escape window on either side of the bed. So both people can actually exit the RV at the same time. And also your control panel is right here. You get light settings and slide and awning or vice versa. You have your TV over here and GFI ports, along with a little floating shelf up here, which is pretty nice. You get a divider between this area and the kitchen. Get some storage underneath, very, very nice. And right here is your Furrion microwave. This one's not convection, this is just the normal microwave. You also get a 2-burner Suburban range on this. You get a massive kitchen window, which looks out into your campsite. And you also get a couple more floating shelves that are up there, super cool. You also get storage with drawers under here, super cool. So you have to open that all the way to get the drawers out, but that ain't no big deal. And let's see, you also get your sink right there. Plenty of countertop space for making food. Here's your Furrion 12-volt fridge. And this is a, I believe, yeah, I think it is road mode accessible breaker panel. And going into the bathroom, I gotta shut this door behind me. You get your shower in here, which I'm about 5'2". I'm standing in the shower. I have plenty of headroom in here, guys. That is amazing. Your Max Air fan is also in the shower, so if you kind of want to cool yourself off while you're in the hot shower, it doesn't make sense, but if you want to, you can. You get shelf space over here. A little squirrel prop, he's so cute. Toilets right here. You also get some storage right there. And if I can open this, maybe right hand. There we go. Storage and plumbing access underneath the sink. Plenty of countertop space in here too for all your toiletries. You also have a backlit mirror, or industry term, luminous arched radius mirror. Somebody put that in caption because that is a lot of words, a lot of big words right there. GFI port right there, and yeah, so that's about it. If you guys want to,
did you show them
the what? One? The what? Oh, what? I didn't even see that.
No, it snuck by you.
Oh my gosh! Thanks for pointing that out. That's pretty neat. But if you guys want to get this RV, where can you get it from? ThrillsRV.com. Get it for the best price in America. Please visit us there. You can get, best price in America guaranteed for this RV. So, I hope you guys have a great time. Happy camping. I wish to see you in the next video. See ya.